In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country on Udemy. Now, if you've ever tried to do this before, you might have found it a little tricky. Udemy's interface isn't exactly intuitive when it comes to this particular task. And although it seems like it should be a straightforward process, navigating through Udemy's settings can be a bit confusing. So let's dive into it and clear up the mystery. First, you'll need to start by heading over to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, your next step is to click on My Profile. This is where most people begin when trying to make changes to their account settings. It's a central hub for altering your personal information, preferences, and more. However, once you start navigating through the profile settings, you'll notice that there isn't a direct option to change your country. It's easy to assume it should be here, but Udemy doesn't offer a straightforward way to adjust your country from this section. This might be a little disappointing to discover, especially if you were hoping to update this information directly. As you browse through the settings, you'll see an option to change the language. This is one aspect you can adjust to suit your preferences, allowing you to switch to a different language if you're a multilingual user or if you're taking courses in different languages. But for changing your country, there isn't a setting available here. This limitation is important to note because many users may expect this option to be as easily adjustable as changing a language. But the platform doesn't accommodate direct country changes from the user interface. If you're trying to change your country for billing reasons, payment methods, or to access location-specific content, the best approach is usually to reach out directly to Udemy's support team. They have access to make this type of change under certain circumstances, often needing verification of your new location, like a utility bill or other proof of residency. So, while you can spend some time digging through different tabs and trying various options within the settings menu, ultimately you'll hit a bit of a dead end when it comes to changing your country. But don't be discouraged. Reaching out to support with all necessary documents ready can streamline the process considerably. Now that we've gone over everything, it's clear that while Udemy doesn't offer an easy way to change your country through user settings, there are alternative steps you can take. Make sure you have all your documentation prepared and reach out to their support for assistance. If you have any more questions or need further help navigating Udemy, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this clears things up for you.